Walk toward a rainbow, and it walks away. Every arch you see is built only for your eyes. Millions of raindrops, each firing one color when the angle lines up. It looks painted on the sky. It is not paint. It is sunlight, shattered inside water and aimed back at you alone. Myth: a rainbow is a colored object sitting in the sky, a bridge you could walk toward. Physics: a rainbow is an optical effect. Each raindrop sends a slice of color toward your eye only when the geometry lines up. Move your head, and the arch you see is built from different drops. Sunlight looks white because all visible colors ride together. Inside a spherical raindrop, the boundary between air and water changes the light's path. It refracts, bending toward the denser medium. White goes in. The drop begins sorting it. Each color is a wave with a different wavelength. Water bends shorter waves more than longer ones. Violet turns hardest, red the least. One beam becomes a fan of separated colors. That sorting is called dispersion. Not all light escapes on the first bounce. Some reflects off the back inner wall of the drop like a tiny mirror, then refracts again on the way out. That internal bounce is what turns a raindrop from a lens into a projector aimed back toward the sunside sky. For the primary rainbow, light that reaches your eye most strongly leaves the drop near 42 degrees from the path straight back toward the sun. Millions of drops at that angle paint the bright arc, change your position, and different drops join the cone. Red rays exit at a slightly wider angle than violet, so red forms the outer rim of the bow and violet sits inside. The order is fixed by physics, not artistic choice. A fainter secondary bow can appear higher in the sky when light bounces twice inside drops. The secondary rainbow comes from two reflections inside each drop. Light exits at about 51 degrees, spreading wider and dimmer. Colors reverse, red on the inside, violet outside. Alexander's dark band, the muted sky between the bows, is where light is steered away from your eyes. Here is the twist. No two people see the same rainbow. Yours is built from drops aligned to your eyes only. A photographer beside you captures photons from a different set of drops. The arch is real to see, but it is not a shared object sitting on a shelf in the sky. Stand with the sun behind you and rain or mist in front. Early morning and late afternoon give long paths and vivid bows. Garden hoses and waterfall spray make mini rainbows on demand. Polarized sunglasses can dim the bow because scattered light has a preferred orientation. Recap: sunlight enters raindrops and refracts. Dispersion separates colors by wavelength. Internal reflection sends light back toward you. Primary bow peaks near 42 degrees, red outside, violet inside. A double bounce makes a fainter, reversed secondary bow. The arch is geometry, not an object. Next on Science Sketch, the ocean rises and falls on a clock the moon keeps. Not mysticism, but gravity stretching earth and water into twin bulges that coastlines meet twice a day.